Hi guys, I'm here in Nagasaki Port at nakita po natin dito itong Spectrum of the Sea, one of the famous cruise ship na umiikot po rito, no? Dito sa Nagasaki and China and Korea. Okay, so look at that, you know, a very beautiful thing, you know. Almost siguro mga 10th floor ng building yan, taas niyan, ano? Okay. Maybe kapag retired na ako, sasakay na ako dyan, mga kaibigan, ha? Okay? And then makikita po natin, ano, at the other side of that port, makikita po natin, no? Kung makikita nyo rito, yun nandito, yan po yung frigate ng Japan, ano? Naka-ano po siya, naka-dock siya dyan. Siguro 4 na frigate at 3 frigate, tapos isang I think support ship, na gray ship po ng Japan, ano? Okay, yan po, I love it, you know? Mahilig ako dyan, eh. Anyway, kung gusto niyo pumunta rito sa Nagasaki at stress-free, walang problema, kontakin niyo lang po ako, si Roy Japan Tour. Thank you so much.